Though 1 tablespoon of tahini is 90 calories, tahini is an excellent source of copper, selenium, and phosphorus. Copper helps in absorption of iron and prevention of anemia, while selenium helps to lower inflammation in the body. Phosphorus serves as a building block for healthy teeth and bones. That's a good amount of health benefits of tahini, isn't it? Now let's jump on how to make homemade tahini with just 2 ingredients. Here I have 1 cup white sesame seeds. I'm toasting it before processing it in the blender. Now if you like a lighter color tahini, do not toast it for a long time. Now I toast it till they're brown so that it gives a more nutty flavor. Transfer to the blender and grind them in pods so that your blender doesn't get blown off. To this, add 20 ml of neutral tasting oil and then blend. You will get your easy homemade tahini ready now. Now to make a vegan tahini dressing, just 1 tablespoon of this mixed with minced garlic and lemon juice gives you a healthy ranch dressing free of any preservatives. If this tahini salad dressing idea is yum, then check out how I made a vegan sour cream or a dairy-free dip recipe. And I shall see you on another video. Take care.